So friends, if you format your mobile and your all contact maybe chances to delete, and in this video friends I'm gonna teach you how can you export your all contact to your Gmail account, how can you save your all contact in your Gmail account. So friends, it's a very simple and easy trick. Now let's start the video. Guys, first of all, open this app, name is contact. So here is your all contacts from your mobile. So here is showing all contacts. So here you can see guys, three dots. Just click on the three dots and select all. After this friends, you have to click on this share options, and this is exporting contacts to share. After this friends, you have to click on the Gmail, and it will be sent to your Gmail. You can send anything you want. You can send to your friends contact, friends Gmail ID, or anything you want. So I'm adding my Gmail ID. This all contacts sent to my Gmail. So friends, thank you so much for watching this video. Like this video, comment below, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon button guys, and I'll see you soon with the new video. Till now, bye guys.